Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of activating your Credit One bank card. Activating your card is an important step to start using it for all your financial needs. So, let's get started. First, locate your new Credit One bank card. It should have arrived in the mail in a nondescript envelope for security reasons. Once you have the card in hand, you're ready to activate it. Next, grab your phone or computer and open a web browser. Head over to the Credit One Bank website. Look for the option that says Activate Card or something similar. Click on it to proceed with the activation process. Now, you'll need to enter some key information. This typically includes your card number, security code, usually located on the back of the card, and any other identifying information the bank requires. Make sure to double-check the information you input to avoid any errors. After filling out the necessary details, you'll be asked to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via text or email. Follow the prompts carefully to complete this step. Once your identity is verified, you should receive a confirmation message that your Credit One bank card has been successfully activated. Congratulations! You're now ready to start using your new card for purchases, bill payments, and more. Remember to sign the back of your card for added security. And always keep your card in a safe place to prevent loss or theft. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, don't hesitate to reach out to Credit One Bank's customer service for assistance. And that's it. You've successfully activated your Credit One bank card. We hope this guide was helpful to you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.